model, 2014 Ford Transit Custom 250 e-Tech starts runs engine knocking needs repair. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 135332. MOT, the 12th of September 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine needs repairing or replacing, definitely worth doing, very clean good looking van, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been